How to set up iPhone for a family member. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Next, scroll to Find and tap on Family to begin the setup process. You'll be taken to the Family Sharing page, which allows you to share subscriptions and other media purchases with up to 5 people. You can also share current and future subscriptions, including iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple TV. On this page, tap on Continue at the bottom. Here, you can add up to 5 more people to your family. You can also choose to invite them through messages or create a child account below. Once you're done setting up, tap on the check mark in the top right corner. By following these steps, you can easily set up an iPhone for a family member. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.